Kore, sore, are. Kore refers to something near the speaker. Sore refers to something near the listener. And are refers to something far from both. Means far from listener and speaker both. जो दोनों से दूर हो. So let's see the examples. This is a bag. So here kore will come because the thing is near the listener. Like this picture, the bag is near the listener. So kore wa kaban desu. This is a bag. Is that a dictionary? Sore wa jisho desu ka? Minasan, let me give you the example. In this picture, sorry, my drawing is not very good. In this picture, the bag is with the speaker, and far from the speaker. So here we will put kore. And Minasan, here sore will come because in this picture the bag is with the listener. So Minasan, here are will come because in this picture the bag is far from both speaker and listener both, right? Kono, sono, ano. This is also like kore, sore, are. This, that over there. But this pattern modify nouns. For example, this book is mine. Kono hon wa watashi no desu. Kono hon wa watashi no desu. This book is mine. That is Mr. Miller's umbrella. Sono kasa wa Mira-san no desu. Sono kasa wa Mira-san no desu. So desu. So desu. Yes, it is. It's like what the person is saying is right. You are agreeing with the person. For example, is that a dictionary? Sore wa jisho desu ka? So you'll say, yes, it is. Hai, so desu. Hai, so desu. Yes, it is. Is that a magazine? Kore wa zashi desu ka? Yes, it is. Hai, so desu. Or no, it's not. Iie, chigaimasu. Chigaimasu is no, you're wrong. Next is our kaka pattern. It is used to ask question to choose between two or more alternatives. For example, is this book or magazine? Kore wa hon desu ka? Zashi desu ka? Is that 1 or 7? Sore wa ichi desu ka? Nana desu ka? Next is noun 1 no, noun 2. So this pattern is used to connect two nouns. In this, noun 1 explains what noun 2 is about. For example, that is a book of computer. Sore wa computer no hon desu. Sore wa computer no hon desu. This is my book. Kore wa watashi no hon desu. Kore wa watashi no hon desu. This is my book. What's that magazine of? Sore wa nan dash zashi desu ka? So what we will put here? Right, no. Sore wa nan no zashi desu ka? What's that magazine of? So in answer you will say Cars magazine. Kuruma no zashi desu. Kuruma no zashi desu. Japan's magazine. Nihongo no zashi desu. Nihongo no zashi desu. Hi minasan, これで終わりましょう。ありがとうございます。And thank you for watching. And if you like my videos, then please minasan subscribe to Bomi Nihongo and also do comment. Bye bye.